How's it going, guys? I got another ukulele demo for you today. I just got a new ukulele in the mail from Ranch Guitar. I picked it up on Amazon. It's a ukulele starter kit with a 23-inch ukulele inside. I got it for just under $60. I think it's quite a bargain for a ukulele starter kit. Let's start taking it out. Inside, it comes with a little bit of extras. I think these kits are really cool for that. Has a set of strings. I haven't had to replace any strings yet on any of my ukuleles. I should do it just because, huh? Has a cool little anti-static cleaning cloth. Comes with a strap. It's a little two-tone gray and black strap. Matches the case. Tuner. All the good kits come with a tuner. Alright, let's take a look at the ukulele. I'm really liking this bag. It's quite a contrast to the usual black nylon bags that the ukuleles come with. This one's gray, a little bit different nylon material. A little bit more padded than most as well, which I'm really liking. It's not a bad looking bag, I like it. Here it is, the 23-inch concert ukulele by Ranch Guitars. Closed gear tuners. Nice body here, I like it. Let's see how it sounds. What? Alright, well, I think it's a great starter kit for anybody who's looking to start playing the ukulele. I still consider myself a starter, so I've been buying starter kits. And I just like building up the collection. Looking forward to playing it. It has a really low action, which is really cool. I think it's the lowest action I've seen on any of my ukuleles at least. So we'll see how it plays. Alright, so I'm going to start playing this ukulele. Look out for some new videos where I'll be featuring this ukulele in them, and I'll definitely be giving you some feedback in the future. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for watching.